Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health foods, weight loss and fat burning methods. Starting a weight loss journey can be intimidating. It's easy to say, "I'll start tomorrow." Especially if you've tried and failed in the past, thinking about starting a new weight loss lifestyle where your favorite treats aren't invited can seem daunting at best. That's why we created a 14-day lemon water challenge. Because 2 weeks of major focus and commitment is totally doable. Besides, drinking lemon water for weight loss is simple, nourishing, and fun. And if you play your cards right, we'll show you how here. You're going to walk out of 2 weeks feeling energized and ready to take on the next challenge. What is a lemon water challenge for weight loss? First, let's talk about what this is not. This is not a calorie deprivation diet, this is not a starvation diet, this is not a lemon water fast. When you're following this protocol, you still get to eat. There are food suggestions below, but the most important thing you will be focusing on is your daily lemon water intake. What the lemon water challenge is. This is a powerful detoxification protocol. This is a natural, safe way to support your weight loss goals. This is the perfect starting point in a weight loss journey. Are you ready to dive in and learn why lemon water is so great for weight loss, health, and detox? Why lemon water for weight loss? Drinking adequate amounts of water helps to temporarily increase the number of calories that you burn. When you add fresh lemon juice, you increase the weight loss benefits. Lemons help reduce and prevent weight gain in a variety of ways by suppressing body fat accumulation. They may also increase metabolism. I am telling you, your best friend for weight loss is lemon water. Lemons also have many other benefits that support overall health and wellness, including supporting your heart and digestive health and lowering your risk of cancer. Lemon water detox benefits. Lemon water for weight loss is excellent. However, adding even just a little bit of lemon water to your day can bring you fantastic cleansing benefits. The best part is that unlike other cleanses, a lemon water detox doesn't involve difficult regimens or drinking liquid all day. You can still eat nourishing and delicious meals, just add a beneficial dose of lemon water to your day to experience detox benefits. The benefits of a lemon water detox include: drinking lemon water supports weight loss. A lemon water detox can boost your digestion. Drinking lemon water promotes hydration. Lemon water is a fantastic source of vitamin C. A lemon water detox can create beautiful, smooth and healthy skin. Lemon water can support your kidneys and prevent kidney stones. Drinking lemon water provides a potassium boost. Lemon water reduces oxidative stress. Without further ado, let's jump into your 14-day lemon water challenge. The lemon water for weight loss protocol. Day 1, mix together 1 squeezed lemon with a cup of water and drink right after you wake up before eating anything else. Day 2, mix together 2 squeezed lemons and 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon honey for taste. Drink right after you wake up. Day 3, mix together 3 squeezed lemons with 3 cups of water and a little honey. Drink half first thing in the morning and the other half just before lunch. Day 4, mix together 4 squeezed lemons with 4 cups of water and a little honey. Consume it 3 times a day, in the morning right after you wake up, before lunch and in the evening before going to bed. Day 5, mix together 5 squeezed lemons with 5 cups of water and honey. Drink it 3 times just like the day before, but more each serving. Day 6, mix together 6 juiced lemons with 6 cups of water and a little honey. Consume the mixture 3 times a day before meals. Day 7, mix together 3 juiced lemons and 10 cups of water. Consume it 3 times a day before meals. Day 8, mix together 6 squeezed lemons with 6 cups of water. Consume it 3 times a day before meals. Day 9, mix together 5 squeezed lemons with 5 cups of water and honey. Drink it 3 times as before. Day 10, mix together 4 squeezed lemons with 4 cups of water and a little honey. Consume it 3 times a day as before. Day 11, squeeze 3 lemons and mix the juice with 3 cups of water. Add a teaspoon of honey and drink it twice a day. Day 12, mix lemon juice from 2 lemons with 2 cups of water and drink it in the morning before breakfast. Day 13, drink juice from 1 lemon and 1 cup of water. Day 14, prepare a drink from 3 lemons and 10 cups of water. Also, add a tablespoon of honey before you consume it. And that's it. After you've finished the 14 days, I recommend drinking 1 glass of lemon water every morning indefinitely. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.